I have a special story to share with you tonight, one that has been passed down through our family for generations. It's about a brave and beautiful girl named Ina, and a mysterious python with a secret. This tale, set in a village much like ours, is not just an adventure but also a lesson about looking at what's inside a person's heart. So snuggle up close and let's travel together into this magical story where love reveals true power. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and meandering rivers, there lived a farmer and his wife. They were blessed with a daughter named Ina, whose beauty was as radiant as the sun's first light. Her laughter was like a melody, harmonizing with birdsong, and her kindness warmed the hearts of everyone. As Ina grew, so did her beauty and charm. Soon young men came seeking her hand in marriage. But Ina, with dreams as vast as the sky, refused them all. She often said something important: "I will marry only the best-looking man, someone young and strong who can love me truly." News of Ina's beauty spread far and wide, catching the attention of a powerful python living in the dense forest surrounding the village. This python was no ordinary creature. He possessed magical powers and could transform into any form he desired. Intrigued by Ina's story, the python decided to transform himself into a tall, handsome man, the epitome of what Ina sought. He planned to win her heart and marry her, proving that even a python could be handsome. One bright morning, the transformed python walked into the village. His presence caused a stir. His tall frame, dark eyes captivated everyone, especially Ina, who was drawn to him. He introduced himself as a traveler from distant lands. Soon he became a regular sight in village, helping farmers, playing with children, sharing stories. Ina found herself enchanted by his kindness and the wisdom in his mysterious eyes. As days turned into weeks, they grew closer. He brought her exotic flowers from forest and told her stories under the moonlit sky. The villagers saw their growing affection and believed he was the man she waited for. One day he asked Ina to marry him. Torn between her heart and mysterious aura, Ina sought advice from her parents. Her father said, "Trust your heart, love surprises." Her mother added, "But be cautious, my child. The eyes can be deceived, look deeper." Ina spent a restless night under stars, thinking about his proposal. By dawn she decided she would marry him, for her heart sang a joyful song whenever she was with him. Preparations for the wedding began with excitement. However, the night before, Ina had a dream. A gentle voice warned her, "Look beyond surface. True love is not just about appearances." Next morning, Ina approached him with request. "Before we marry, I wish to see true you, without any pretense, bound by true love." He revealed his true form as the python. The villagers gasped in shock and fear, but Ina looked into the python's eyes. She saw the same kindness and wisdom that had drawn her to him before. She realized love was not about appearance, but the connection of souls. Bravely, Ina announced, "I agreed to marry the best-looking man who could love truly. I see now that true beauty lies within. I will keep my promise to you." The python, moved by her acceptance, transformed back into the handsome man permanently. The spell was broken by unconditional love. The wedding took place amidst joy and wonder. Their love became a legend in the village. They reminded everyone that love transcends appearances, and the heart's choice is purest truth. Years passed, they lived full of love. Their story was told and retold, teaching generations the power of acceptance, the beauty of inner qualities, and true love. In the small village surrounded by hills, they proved love is most potent magic. The story teaches us important lessons. What truly counts is kindness and goodness, not just how someone looks outside. It tells us to look at hearts and minds, not just at faces. The story reminds us promises are important and should be kept with honor. It's a tale about love and understanding. Seeing the best in others brings happiness, and changes things for the better always.